Long before a premium lip tint tube reaches a beauty counter, its story can begin with materials sourced far from the cosmetics factory.
The camel is first seen where the story truly begins, in its natural environment. The animals move across a landscape.
The finished camel bone accented lip tint package represents a meeting point between natural material, industrial precision, and modern cosmetic manufacturing. The industrial journey begins at the receiving dock. Carefully handled camel bone arrives in controlled containers before entering the processing.
From the source facility, camel bone enters a controlled logistics chain. Proper handling protects the raw material before.
Camel bone has a distinctive natural structure and visual character. Once properly sourced and prepared, that character can become part of a decorative luxury component.
Behind the walls of this massive specialty factory, a natural material is transformed through precision.
Specialty bone processing begins with controlled sourcing. Camel bone destined for craft use must be separated. Inside the receiving department, camel bone is separated into controlled production batches.
From a natural material most people would never expect to see in luxury packaging, to a precision finished.
After precision cutting, camel bone enters the first major shaping stage. Industrial grinding removes rough edges and creates a more consistent surface. Shaping is not simply about appearance. Each camel bone component must meet controlled dimensional requirements before moving.
The rough geometry now gives way to a smoother surface.
Some designs require precise openings and mounting points. These features are created using controlled drilling equipment rather than rough manual cutting. Once the main dimensions are established, attention shifts to the edges. Smooth contours are essential for both appearance and practical. Polishing begins to reveal the character of the natural material. Fine abrasive finishing removes the remaining surface imperfections. Polishing does not end the inspection process. Each camel bone component is examined under controlled lighting for. Natural camel bone does not look identical from piece to piece. Subtle variations in tone and pattern give every finished component its own character. The finished camel bone components now leave the machining department. Their next destination is the assembly area, where assemblies. The camel bone components have now reached the assembly department. Here, the carefully shaped natural material is prepared.
Inside the assembly department, the assembly moment had lip tinted.
After passing through cleaning, shaping, polishing, precision assembly, and quality control, camel bone has been transformed into a refined. Assembly begins with accurate positioning of the lip tint housing. The housing must remain stable while the decorative camel bone component is fitted.
The polished camel bone now becomes part of the package itself. Technicians carefully position the shaped component. Natural materials require careful fitting because every camel bone component has subtle individual characteristics.
Once aligned, the camel bone component is secured using a controlled assembly operation. The pressure must be sufficient to create.
The cosmetic package now receives its applicator assembly. Precision machinery positions each applicator consistently inside the closure. Packaging assembly is followed by the cosmetic filling stage. The lip tint formula is handled in a controlled production environment using.
Measured filling ensures that each lip tint container receives a controlled quantity of formula. Automated nozzles maintain consistency across the
plate. With the formula filled, the final closure completes the basic package assembly. The polished camel bone exterior now circled. The first finished unit inspection examines the complete package as one assembly. Technicians check the camel bone surface. Visual inspection is followed by dimensional verification. Critical measurements are checked against the production specification. A premium package must perform as well as it looks. Automated equipment checks the closure mechanism through repeated controlled. Packaging integrity is tested before release. Controlled seal checks help confirm that the finished lip tint container remains properly closed during handling and transportation. After passing functional tests, the finished package receives its final cosmetic treatment. A careful surface polish removes.
The final visual sorting stage brings together everything learned during production. Approved camel bone accented packages are grouped for the next stage. With quality control complete, the finished camel bone accented lip tint packages enter the packaging department. Protective handling now becomes the priority.
The manufacturing journey has reached its final major department. The finished camel bone accented lip tint packages are...
After final inspection, each finished camel bone accented lip tint package receives protective packaging. The insert keeps the
Automation now handles the repetitive packaging operation. Each finished camel bone accented lip tint package is positioned.
Once the finished package is safely inside, the carton is closed. Mechanical guides fold the carton precisely and secure the contents.
Packaging itself must meet the same standards as the finished cosmetic. Inspection systems check carton condition, alignment, and presentation. Only proper sectioners. Traceability connects finished packaging back to its production batch. Controlled identification helps manufacturers track units throughout distribution. Before entering storage, every completed pallet must be traceable. The shipment record is verified against the production information. The completed pallet now leaves the production floor. Inside the finished goods warehouse, completed shipments wait for their destination. Each pallet is stored according to facilities' legends.
When an order is scheduled, the required pallet is retrieved from storage. The warehouse system directs the operator to the correct location.
The finished shipment now enters the outbound staging area. Here, pallets are organized according to their scheduled destination.
The shipment has completed its journey through manufacturing, inspection, packaging, and warehouse preparation. The camel bone accented lip tint packages now leave the factory.
The journey continues beyond the camel bone manufacturing facility. Arrives at lip tint shipment, where
orders. Receiving teams verify the shipment before placing it into inventory. Each pallet of camel bone accented lip tint packages is
The finished camel bone accented lip tint shipment is carefully loaded into the transport vehicle. Pallets are positioned to maintain.
For international orders, the shipment is reorganized according to destination and transport schedule.
The export shipment now enters international freight handling. Wrapped pallets containing camel bone actin.
The shipment now travels across international waters. Protected inside the cargo system, the camel bone accented lip tint packages continue toward their destination.